Most sellers never audit their listings, so I'm going to be showing you a quick way just how to do it. Now this is just a speed audit. If you want to take more time, you can always do more time. But we've got like a little checklist right here, something sweet and easy. And then we have some pet items right here, some dog toys, so we can look at, hey, what are the competitors doing? What are we going to do for the audit to actually improve this listing? And the first thing you want to do is just go through your listing every 60 to 90 days, preferably 30 days, and just do a speed audit at least. Something's always better than nothing. And the first thing you're going to do is look at the top competitor. So you're going to put the ASIN of your top competitor. What are they doing that you aren't? And you're just going to do a speed audit. Maybe their first image is better. Maybe they have better colors. Maybe their title's better, their price, their reviews. You're just going to jot down some notes here. What are they doing that you aren't that you could do better on your listing? So if we're doing a pet toy, so we can do rubber pet toy. And then we can look at some top competitors and see, okay, what are they doing that we aren't? Why are they making so much more sales than we are? Is it price? Is it something else? Right? And then we can kind of just reference them. So we're going to put their ASIN in here. Just so you have a reference. Now that you have a reference, it's time to just look at your SEO, and what you're going to do is figure out your organic rank versus your paid rank and your competitor's organic rank versus paid rank. So log into Helium10 if you have it. If not, there's a link in the description for a free trial. You're going to go to Cerebro and you're going to type in your competitor's ASIN, and then what it's going to tell you is their organic rank and paid rank. The higher the organic rank, the higher the paid rank, the more they're showing up on Amazon. And if your paid rank and organic rank are very low, that means you need to work on your SEO and you need to work on your Amazon ads. Now you can see they're barely running any ads at all. So their organic rank is killing it. So you can put that in here. Their organic rank is 3,000 and their paid rank is 1. Now we're going to reference our product and see how ours compares to theirs, and we're just going to put in our keywords. And this is a great, easy, fast way to see, okay, is our rank improving each month? Is it decreasing? You can see our organic rank is 776, and then our paid rank is 87. So we're definitely beating them in paid. It looks like they're doing so well, the competitor, Kongring, that they don't even need to run paid ads. Maybe they're just running one paid ad against their own product, like their own brand name. But what we notice is that 3,313, that means they're showing up for 3,313 words on Amazon. We're only showing up for 776. We need to cycle our keywords, get better keywords so we can show up more on Amazon. It's that simple. Our paid rank is doing pretty solid, so we can just keep it as is. Now our pricing, what's our price? So their price is $6.49, but they have different sizes. And ours is a better price, $5.79. So we're going to document that here. First image, is our first image idiot proof? What about theirs? So if we just look at their first image, honestly, if I showed this to a 10-year-old, I wouldn't understand what it is. So I'm very surprised that they're generating so many sales with a first image like this. It is high quality. If I just looked at this, I wouldn't understand what it is, but maybe it's like a viral product. Ours is definitely better because you can if you gave it to a 10-year-old, again, they would understand exactly what it is just by looking at the first photo. So our first photo is pretty solid. Maybe it could look a little bit more realistic, but overall, I would say ours is idiot proof. Then we look at the secondary images. Do we have any lifestyle images? Do we have application images? Is it emotional, direct? Is it as good or better than the competition? Do we have premium A+ content that's maximized with as many modules as possible and brand story? So we do not have brand story, that's missing. This is regular A+ content. This is not premium A+ content. So again, something quick that we could optimize, change, and improve. We look at the competitor. They also do not have an optimized brand story, and they don't have premium A+ content. So again, but their A+ content I do believe is better than ours because it actually shows the product, the dimensions. Dogs are actually using it when ours is just photoshopped in. And again, it just looks, because it's like different sizes, so the customer might get confused. Is it actually this size or is it this size? It fits in his mouth perfectly, but right here it looks like it's bigger than his head. So we could improve on these right away. Then we can look at our secondary images, do audits on there. And they have two cute dogs using the product. That's going to be our first one. And then our first one showcases the product dimensions. People don't really care about the dimensions as the first thing that they want to see. They care about the dogs using it because it's for the dogs. So I would have this as like a second image instead of this, right? So again, looking at the competitors and just making your listing a little bit better each time you do an audit is going to make the difference in the long run. Then you have a video and or a brand store, right? So we can check out the brand store right here, make sure we have a brand store, and do we have a video? And we do not have a video of the product. Again, the Kong has a brand store, and do they have a video of the product? They do have a video of the product. This is just going to help. And if you're stuck and you're like, hey, I don't have time to do this, I don't want to do an audit of my listing, you can just go into the description. We'll do a listing audit for you. It's a win-win. And not only are we going to tell you who your top competitors are, but we'll just give you references. Hey, your first image needs to be better, your second image, things like that. Pretty simple. And then also, these are some other things that you can look at is reviews, your PPC, like your ACoS, how much you're spending. Are you using subscribe and save? Do you have backend keywords? And are you using Amazon FBA, not FBM, as your first choice? So this is just a speed audit. Yes, you should be doing this at least every 30 days. At our company, we do it every 30 days. But if you're not doing it at all, do it at least every 60 days, at least every quarter, and just have it as a daily thing. Because you'll be surprised when you think your listing's perfect. You come back, you look at the competitors, and you're like, oh man, there's all these minor improvements. And there's so many minor improvements that it makes it a major improvement that you have to do. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you need help with increasing sales, doing an audit, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We're going to be coming in, doing audits every 30 days of your listings, improving your listings, managing inventory, customer service, ads, dealing with Amazon support, and of course, increasing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.